In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get the last row, Google Sheets app scripts, Array Methods Part 10. When you automate Google Sheets, you often need the true last row of real data. The built-in last row method can sometimes return a larger number than expected, especially when a sheet has leftover formulas, checkboxes, formatting, or blanks that make the sheet look empty even when it is not. A reliable approach is to pull values into an array and then calculate the last row from the array itself. Start by opening your Google Sheet. From the top menu, click Extensions, then choose App Script. This opens the script editor where you can create and run code linked to this spreadsheet. In the App Script editor, click the Add button to create a new file, then click Script. You will see a default function, usually named MyFunction. Click into the function so your cursor is inside the curly braces. You are going to create a new function that you can run from the toolbar. Click on the word function to start typing your new function name, and type highlight. As you type, select highlight so the function name is set the way you want it. Keep the function name simple and easy to recognize, because it will appear in the Run menu. Inside that highlight function, the key idea is to read your sheet data into a two-dimensional array using getValues, then use array methods to detect the last row that actually contains content. For a single column, you can grab something like a 1, A, then filter out blanks and use the remaining length. For the whole sheet, you can loop from the bottom of the array upward and use every to check whether each cell in the row is empty. As soon as you find a row with at least one non-blank value, you stop, and that row index +1 becomes your true last row. Once your highlight function is ready, click on Highlight in the function dropdown so it is selected. Then click the play icon to run it. The first time you run a script, Google may prompt you for authorization. Follow the prompts so the script can access the spreadsheet. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.